Hi everyone, in this video I'll show you how to get refunds for your Skyscanner bookings. Let's get started. First, it's important to understand that Skyscanner is just a travel search engine. It helps you to compare flights, hotels and car rentals, but it doesn't handle bookings directly. When you book through Skyscanner, you're actually redirected to a third-party travel provider to complete your reservation. So if you want to request a refund, you'll need to contact the travel provider or airline directly. After you book, you'll receive a confirmation email at the Gmail or email address you used during checkout. This includes all your flight details, like the airline name, flight number, seat info, and most importantly, the contact information for the airline or booking site. If you no longer have that email, you can visit the airline's official website. Look for a section like Contact Us or Customer Support, where you'll find their phone number, email, or a live chat option. When reaching out, be sure to provide the exact information you used to book the flight. This includes your name, flight number, and reservation code. Then simply request your refund and explain why you're cancelling. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.